I'm my friend Giuseppe Manzoli, professional private chef. Today we talk about homemade gnocchi. Homemade gnocchi in your kitchen from scratch. So what you need? You need mashed potato. Mashed potato, beautiful. I use jumbo potato. And then you need this beautiful sea salt. And then what you need? You need ground white pepper. This will add a touch of amazing peppery taste in the gnocchi. Is amazing. And then what you need? You need grated lemon, and you need pecorino. Pecorino. So we start putting together all these beautiful fresh ingredients. So here we have already the water ready for boil them, because I'm going to show you how to use properly a couple of different ways to use them. So get there. So you grate your pecorino in the mash, okay, and then you add your salt like this. And then you grate your lemon. This will add a very beautiful, amazing taste in gnocchi. Look. And then you are going to use them in any way you want. You wanna use with ragu. You wanna use with a nice vegetable sauce. You can use with in any way you want. So let's see. We have pecorino. We have lemon zest, and now we are going to use to put a touch of pepper, just a touch. One egg. Okay. So this was two jumbo potato like this. Two jumbo potato. Lovely ingredient. I'm going to start to use flour. I use any kind of flour. It doesn't really matter if it's strong for bread. Now I got strong for bread, but it doesn't really matter. And oil as well. Put a touch of oil there to work your flour in this way. Let's put this camera here. Let's put this camera here. Yeah, fantastic. Good. This way I can manage the camera for you. So let's get this mix together beautifully. Yeah, in this way. And then okay, so you work like this, and they start to get together this way. So when they are you get the feeling how they feel. And yeah, so now you take another little bit of flour, and you get this so now it's time to shape them. I use this spatula here, and you see what I've got. I've got this is what I've got, you see. Okay, so keep going. And so now that we have gnocchi, we here. So we put on our boiling water, and we are going to cook them. Okay, before put them in the sauce. Product. I don't like to give a nice shape. I want to keep them quite rustic. I always leave them rustic in my dinners. So look, the water is boiling, okay, and I'm going to put them in, and I cook them, okay, for 2-3 minutes until they are not coming up. Okay, this we give 3 minutes, 3-4 minutes, and we are going to cook the flour through. Okay, so we do more. We do more. Okay, I've got them. Yes, so they are ready. We transfer in a bowl like this. Now, for the purpose of this video, I'm stopping to cook them because I want to show you how to do use them. Okay, so you can use them. Look, so this is how they look. Okay, and they are tasty. Amazing. So you can use them like this, straight in your sauce, or you can pan fry them and you can make them a little bit more crispy. So you have two different ways to use them. Okay, so let's put them in and you can add a little bit of salt. Another thing that I want to show you today is how to get a nice healthy meal using using broccoli. Okay, so you can in the time you get them in the pan, you can get some broccoli on, because broccoli need to be crunchy to be tasty. Okay, so you can get some broccoli on your water of before, in the time you get them. Okay, good, like this. So you see, in this way your gnocchi will be soft inside, and there will be this crust all around. They will be crunchy outside. So two different ways to get this done. Okay, so let's finish this. Meanwhile, and you see, in this time, I still got my broccoli. They are coming in the time I've got my gnocchi on here. So now we are going to finish them. How we finish them? I show you this way. So I've got them here they become crunchy outside. Yeah, I've got basil oil, and I'm going to use a touch of this garlic. Yeah, like this. So garlic in the pan, and I want my broccoli as well in the pan, and my basil. So in this way, got beautiful. Wow, the taste that I've got now is amazing. The smell that I've got now is beautiful. Let's keep the camera on here. Like this. Amazing. We have this beautiful gnocchi ready. Okay, we stop. We can stop everything, and let's see how to make a sexy plate. Okay, beautiful. So get the plate on, get a ring like this, and let's see what's happened. And then you can put some of this oil around. And then we grate again our pecorino. Okay, pecorino, on top like this. And here we get with broccoli and basil sauce. Thank you for watching, and see you next time. Ciao Giuseppe.